Because I believe we are full human beings with full faculties, with sort of strength as Magwala. We are sons and daughters of heroes. And this is what exactly they want to erode, to take away from you the heritage of heroism. Number one, for resisting colonialism. We are one of the peoples who resisted British colonization, that the British can't forget. From the Battle of Isanzwana to the battles of Gadate, Shangan, and what have you, they can't forget that. When, I want to clad in Amabechu and Amambatate as Kumba, and the ostrich feather went as far as butchering a British general. That in itself petrifies people. So you must know that your background, in fact, it instills terror in the minds of people to say, what kind of a people will stand up to a Maxim gun, automatic? Each generally behind the echelons of the formation. So your sins may be original to you in terms of your language, but part of your sins are in your history. Now, when it is an original sin, you can't wash it away. Innocent I would wash it off. This is a prominent betrayer who was a Matebele, who decided to cross over to ZANU-PF and work to destroy his own people.